Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is about culture of power and violence. 1917 में फ्यूड कॉइन की थी टर्म को नार्सिसिज्म stated that individual living having the minor differences. Okay, these individuals are sharing the common ancestry. Minor differences are when the differences is being created due to the hypersensitivity detail of differentiation. When people living in a community have uniformity, this uniformity set desires of identity. That desire emphasizes their differences and develop the sense of superiority over other. Idea of narcissism of minor differences applied to the ethnic and cultural conflicts worldwide. Okay, narcissism revealing prism to see and understand. It is just a revealing prism to see and understand the polarization and religious stratification of society. Narcissism is the revealing prism to see and understand the polarization and religious stratification of a society. Sectarian tension arises. Hatred meted out to minority sex. Due to the narcissism, minor differences, hatred is meted out to the minority sex by majority is the cause of national concern. Sectarian divide, more about the politics than religion. Whenever sectarian sects are being divided due to their political gains, and it is the most important factor. Certain sects stand to gain from amplifying dissimilarities between two sects. Yes, certain sections stand. They do these things to gain from amplifying dissimilarities between two sects. In the case of subcontinent, rulers interested to fuel the fire of hatred between two communities, Muslim and Hindu. Played with the sentiments of people. Yes. Played with the sentiments of creed and sect. Manifestation is a manifestation. Differences on the basis of creed, sect, color is a manifestation of narcissism. How to stop this? Educate on religious tolerance. Yes, we have to engage different religious activities so we are able to tolerate and respect the religion of other person. Help the people focus on their similarities as opposed to differences. Yes, it helps to focus on their similarities irrespective of their differences. Living in harmony irrespective of their caste, culture and creed. America, China, we are not only the country which is facing the narcissism, sectarianism. Yes, there are different countries like America, China, and all manifest such tendencies. State and non-state actors target the minority of a society, Black and Hispanic in America. For example, in the case of George Floyd death, we have seen the minority is being harmed by majority, and no one is accountable for this tendency. So it must be eradicated from our society, from the whole Pakistan and the whole world. And next is India, China, victim of high-handed news. Failure of state, challenge culture and power, challenge the culture of power and violence at all levels. Yes, we should challenge the culture of power at all the levels. So what I have from this topic tells me about the sectarian group need to be discouraged at all the levels. We have to all the Muslims, all the world need to be integrated at all the levels, so we are able to remove this sort of activities. Ethnic group need to be eradicated, and all the people need to understand the cultural, religious values of other. We need not to discuss anybody on the basis of their color, creed, their generation, their family background. Not at all. Not on the religion. If we are Muslim, we need to respect, we need to tolerate the religions of other. And this is our Islamic culture, and this is our foremost issue.